don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. It's getting hotter these days. And how many of you love iced coffee during hot summer days? And I know many who visit cafes just to get a glass of iced coffee. But have you ever noticed that whichever cafe you visit, the iced coffee that you get gets watered down as you sip on? The reason being the amount of ice cubes they add into the coffee. Let's stop watering the coffee from now, and I'll show you how to make this Japanese style coffee that's called Kori Kohi. Here you can taste perfection until the last sip. And some of my friends are a big fan of hot beverages. For them too, I have some hot beverages like masala chai or cafe style chai tea latte. If you want something chocolatey and coffee, is cafe mocha for you.
Please note the ingredients needed to make iced coffee. List is also given in description below. To start with, we need a cup of black brewed coffee. Nothing added in this, no sugar, nothing at all. And we need to make ice cubes out of this black coffee. When we use ice cubes in coffee, the coffee doesn't water down. You get nice iced coffee with perfect flavors. Okay, so back to our recipe. Put this brewed coffee in ice tray. You can also use instant coffee for this purpose. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. You may increase the quantity if you prefer a stronger coffee. Dissolve it in warm water. Warm water enables dissolving of coffee. When done, pour it in ice cube tray and freeze this coffee. Now, after about 6 to 8 hours, coffee cubes are ready. Now let's serve the coffee. Take these prepared coffee cubes, put in a glass in which you are going to serve your iced coffee. Fill the glass totally with ice cubes. Now take a cup of warm milk or gunguna doodh. It's not hot, just slightly heat it up and mix sugar or chini to your taste in this milk and pour this sweetened milk over coffee cubes. Stir and enjoy this delicious iced coffee. You can also make flavored iced coffee, like I am putting vanilla syrup. Use syrup of your choice to your taste, right? Again, pour over milk, mix and enjoy your flavored iced coffee. For a perfect treat, you can also top off your coffee with whipped topping. Some confetti sprinkles or chocolate shavings can be put as a garnish and enjoy this beautiful looking delicious iced coffee. You can enjoy a glass of perfect iced coffee on any summer day. Afternoon, evening or night time, whenever your body demands caffeine. Now, you will not need to go to any cafe to buy your favorite iced coffee because you can make a perfect glass at home. Thanks for watching.